Stop watching NAS100 until you see this high probability breakout setup. Please watch the full video. The NAS100 on the 1 hour time frame is currently at a critical junction. Looking at the market structure, we are in a clear, strong bullish trend, characterized by consistent higher highs and higher lows. We've seen multiple break of structure points, confirming that the buyers have been in total control for a significant period. However, price action is now compressing directly under a major supply zone between 26,700 and 26,850. We are seeing multiple rejections here, creating a tight consolidation. This is a classic liquidity buildup. The market is essentially catching its breath before making its next massive explosive move. Let's look at our two primary scenarios. The high probability bullish scenario occurs if we get a clean break and candle close above the 26,850 resistance. This opens the door to three main targets: 27,000, 27,200, and finally 27,400. In this case, keep your stop loss safely below 26,500 to protect your capital. On the flip side, we must watch for a bearish fakeout. If the price fails the breakout and instead breaks down below the 26,400 demand level, we could see a quick drop to grab liquidity at lower demand zones. Our targets for a move lower would be 26,200, 25,900, and 25,800, with a stop loss above 26,900. The key takeaway: the market is currently in a premium zone. While the overall trend remains bullish, trading inside the 26,600 to 26,800 range is risky due to the heavy consolidation. The smartest plan is to wait for a confirmed breakout and a retest before committing to a direction. Patience here will be your biggest edge in this volatile market. Always manage risk properly and stay disciplined with your strategy. Follow for more. The next analysis is coming very soon.